into the sunlight today, haven't we, Jordan?
Yeah, man.
Yep, vitamin D.
And Boston's hiding over here too. And what are we going to do today? We're going to give it a detail.
Yeah, vitamin D. Detailing?
Some vitamin D, yeah. We're still waiting on a part to come back from where it came from because it came and then it went and then it's coming back again.
But that's all right, you know, problems, solutions. We just do something else.
So we went and bought some polish and stuff and we're going to give it a polish. So that's our plan for Ronnie today, get it looking spanky. And yeah, then we're going to walk inside here. Now we just heard from the guys at Mighty Car Mods, we can take Missfire to Mighty Car Mods Nationals. So we got some more work to do on Missfire. So today, you see I've pulling the handbrake out. And we're actually going to leave this bracket here because it's going to be quite convenient to mount our line lock control solenoid. So that's going to get mounted in there. Yeah, so I've got a new starter motor coming for it. We'll put in next week. Got to put a sump baffle in next week. Yeah, got a few things to do in the next couple of weeks for the MCM Nats, but we're super excited to be getting out there. So Ronnie is looking beautiful. Jordan and Boston are doing an awesome job. It's nice to be out in the sun today, hey boys?
Yeah, man.
It's better than locked inside all day. Yeah, Ronnie's coming up a treat. Bit of scratch and swell removal, and we'll hit it with some wax. It's going to look sweet.
I like that it's turtle because it's a nice, slow job.
Yeah, no, like Ronnie's going to be nice and slow too, isn't that right, boys? Oh,
yes,
smack talk from Josh again.
Those are fighting words right there.
Well, we'll take it out on the track later in the year, hey?
Hey, all good.
So, we're just in the process of installing this line lock kit. You see we've got the solenoid here. We actually used the bracket from the handbrake, so it's nice and solid. And we had the handbrake brake piping here, so this one can go into the top and this one will go into the bottom, so that's all nice and convenient. We've got our button located here, which is easy enough to get when we want to warm up the tyres. So we'll just turn the ignition on. Okay, we'll hear the solenoid click. So there's our solenoid clicking, and we've got our light. Ignore the Commodore dash saying you haven't got things connected. Got our light here to say it's on. So now we just have to plumb up the brakes and give it a clean up. So here we are. Here is our line lock kit plumbed in. You can see there, it's a bit dark in here. Got the Aeroflow solenoid there. We had a bit of hassle with fittings here, but we got there. That white goop you can see is thread sealant. Make sure nothing leaks. We just put our button down here. It's nice and easy to get to when we're driving. Well, it's been a busy day here at Bump Stop Car Mods and mentoring today. We've had the kids here working on Ronnie. Been detailing Ronnie today. We're still waiting on the mystery part to turn up in the post. I think it's somewhere between Melbourne and Sydney again now. It's bounced back and forwards a couple of times with the post. Bit frustrating. That's the drive gear for the oil pump, because we upgraded the timing chain to a dual timing chain, and for whatever reason the drive gear wasn't in the kit. So that is coming. But we got to work on Missfire. We are taking Missfire to Mighty Car Mods Nationals. We're going to be drag racing there. We're really excited about that. That sort of happened yesterday, and there's a few things we had to get done. So we've got, we still got to put the sump baffle in. We've ordered a new starter motor and a heat shield for the starter motor. And we've pretty much plumbed up the line lock kit. Well, it is plumbed up after we sorted out some fitting issues. We needed some different thread fittings to work with what we had there. Anyway, we got that sorted eventually. I was just about to fill up the master cylinder and bleed the brakes, and that bottle of brake fluid that I thought was full, I went over there and it has used written on it. So I don't have any. So that's going to wait till another day. But yeah, we've had an awesome time today, but we're really keen to get to Mighty Car Mods Nationals with the old Missfire here. And yeah, we're still shaking it down, but we've got a few new mods on it this time, so we're hoping we might even dip into the 12s this time.
on our quest for 10s. Little by little bit, we'll get there. But yeah, so we'll keep updating you over the next couple of weeks as we work on Missfire, and Ronnie we should have started next week. Yeah, so we'll catch you all next time.